Bulabinaka and very warm welcome to you all. Today marks another important milestone for our sugarcane farmers as we gather to continue our commitment to strengthening the sugar industry through the tangible supports and assistance. We are here to facilitate the distribution of the two grants, the new Farmers Lease Premium Grant and the Farm Mechanization Grant, both of which are designed to improve the productivity and provide much needed resources to our farmers. Under the new Farmers and Lease Premium Assistance, as I said, 177 farmers to date have been assisted. These farmers have benefited from the crucial funding that helps them access and secure land for the sugarcane farming. I'm pleased to also announce today an additional 58 farmers will receive this grant. This initiative continues to support new entrants and ensures that the existing farmers have a land security needed to maintain and expand their operations. This program stems from the government's recognition of essential role land access plays in the sustainability of the sugar industry. Through the continuous consultations and careful planning, we aim to address the land lease issues, ensuring that all our farmers have support they need to thrive on. In addition to our efforts of land accessibility, we are also focusing on modernizing the sugar industry farming practices as part of our broader strategy to boost efficiency and productivity. We are investing in farm mechanization. So we recognize to embrace the technology to help overcome the many challenges of our farmers that face, such as labor shortage and high production costs. Today, I am pleased to announce that a total of 12 sugar planters and 16 fertilizer applicators will be distributed to the tractor providers, service providers across the sugar sector. These vital tools will assist farmers in planting and applying fertilizer more efficiently, allowing them to reduce the manual labor and improve the overall productivity. The government, through the Farm Mechanization Grant, is providing 50% subsidy, 50% हम लोग subsidy देते हैं on these machines, ensuring that the tractor service providers can access this equipment at an affordable rate. In return, these providers are expected to offer their services to the at subsidized rates to the farmers, particularly in the cane planting and fertilizer application. This partnership between the government and the private sector will ensure that the modern farming techniques are accessible to all farmers regardless of the sizes and resources. We will be conducting 5 grant signing today for the service providers receiving these implements. However, for those who have missed out today, let's be assured that we are still in the process of identifying more service providers and they will be assisted in the coming months. This mechanization program is a crucial part of our overall sugar industry strategy to modernize the sugar industry as well, reduce production costs, increase the yields. By making these technologies available to the farmers, we are paving way for a more sustainable and competitive sugar industry in Fiji. The future of our sugar industry depends on our ability to adapt and innovate. The distribution of these grants today reflects our government's unwavering commitment to providing real, practical solutions that directly benefit our farmers. As we move forward, I encourage all the stakeholders, farmers, service providers, and industry leaders to work together to ensure that these opportunities are maximized for a long-term prosperity of the sugar industry of our beloved Fiji. Let us continue to build a thriving modern sugar industry that not only sustains the livelihood of our farmers, but also strengthens our nation's economy. With these words, Vinaka Bakalebu, Dhanyavad aap sabhi ko, and I look forward to witnessing the positive outcomes of these initiatives.